In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can remove the background of an image really easy, really fast, and completely free without even installing any app on your smartphone. In this case, we can use this in the desktop, in the smartphone, and in any device. Now, all we need to do is access our web browser, for example, Google Chrome. And this is the website here. So you can type Pixlr and you can then go to the first result. There you go. And this is gonna be the website right here. Now this is in Italian version, but well, doesn't matter because the website is in English, so don't worry about it. Just scroll down there the page and you can see here the button called remove background. So it's just one step background remove. It's pretty fast. I will click there. It's all about artificial intelligence. So yeah, this one here is Italian, but don't worry, just go there and open your image clicking on this button here. You can go into your folder or other storage that you can access from your smartphone, and I'm just gonna show you here with this image, and select Full HD if you want, or this is a smaller format. Now the right part has been cut out, but don't worry, you can also insert your format there and then click on this little red button again. It's gonna open up the image and it's gonna immediately remove everything that is not in the foreground. So only the legs here and the feet stay, everything else is gone. And this is ready to be downloaded. So if I scroll again a little bit down, I can see a bottom button here, which will be download. So I will click there and you can see this is a PNG image. So it will contain a fourth channel inside, which is called alpha channel, and that's gonna be the transparency that you need. So you're gonna download basically an image without a background. Now, if you're interested in PNGs, alpha channels, and so on, you can look for in our channel. You will find other video guides about these topics and also about graphic design and 3D design and a lot more. You can also write your comments, write your suggestions for other users, ask for assistance, and so on. So participate to the community, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.